How to edit a Tumblr post after publishing. First of all, open the Tumblr app and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your blog page. Next, scroll through your post or use the search option to find the post you want to edit. Once you locate the post, tap the pencil icon to open the post editor. Make the changes you want in the post content, whether it's text, images, or links. After finishing your edits, tap the Save button at the top right corner to apply the changes. Your Tumblr post will now be updated with the new content visible to all your followers and visitors. Remember, you can edit your post anytime to keep your blog fresh and accurate. Now you know how to edit a Tumblr post after publishing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.